Last week it was my mum's birthday. We always buy her a present every year, so 2 weeks ago I started to think about what I wanted to buy her. She usually gets 3 gifts. One from my dad, one from my brothers and I, and another one from my grandfather. All the family usually talks together before buying her presents because we don't want to buy her the same gift. Imagine her opening her 3 presents and seeing that they are all jumpers, for example. Last year we bought her a camera, a jumper, and some headphones for her to listen to music. So this year we couldn't buy her the same presents. First I thought about buying her a jigsaw puzzle or a board game, but then I remembered that she got some new ones for Christmas and she hasn't played all of them yet. My brother thought that a Wii video game console would be a great idea. We could play all together when we go to my parents' house, and it would be a fun activity for my parents to do on their own because they are very competitive. We only had £50 each to spend on her gifts, so we decided to buy one at a second-hand shop because it was a lot cheaper. So we had already chosen her first gift, which was the main one, but we wanted to buy her 2 smaller ones too. Our mum is always talking about her hobby, which is cooking, so we thought about buying her a set of 10 spices for her recipes. The set didn't have the typical spices like black pepper or parsley. They were special spices. We knew that she would love it, so we bought it online. Lastly, my granddad told me that she wanted a new watch because her old one had broken. We looked at different watches in the shops, but we didn't know which one she would like. My dad remembered that she always wears silver earrings, silver bracelets, and silver necklaces, so we chose a silver one for her. On her special day, we all went to her house to sing happy birthday to her, eat some cake, and we gave her our gifts. We gave her the smallest present first, and she was very surprised that her dad remembered that she needed a new watch. She put it on straight away and she loved it. Then we gave her the bigger present, which was the Wii. She was thrilled when she opened it and she started laughing. We turned it on and showed her how to use it. The Wii came with 3 different games and we tried one of them, which was Mario Kart. My parents didn't know how to play, but they learned very quickly. Even my granddad played with us. It came with 3 video games, but only with 2 controllers, so only 2 people can play at the same time. My dad loved playing it and said that it was a shame that we couldn't all play together. So my brothers and I now know what we are going to get my dad for his birthday, which is next month. Some controllers and more games. I think that for my birthday, which is in August, I'm going to ask for some games too. I know that some people like gifts to be a surprise, but others prefer to choose what they get. I believe that it's nice not to know what you are going to get because it isn't a surprise and it isn't as exciting if you know what they are going to buy you. Sometimes I give my family and friends an idea of what I want. Like in this case, I will tell them that I want a game, but I won't tell them which one I want exactly. I normally get a few small presents for my birthday. I prefer to have a nice dinner with my family at a restaurant rather than big, expensive gifts. I also love having a delicious birthday cake. I think that I remember cakes more than I remember my gifts. My favourite cake to have is a chocolate cake. It is traditional to put candles on your birthday cake, but I don't do that when I celebrate it at home because you have to buy more and more candles when you get older, and I think that it's not really necessary. I might put 1 or 2 candles on it, but I wouldn't put 25 on it, for example. When we celebrate my birthday at a restaurant, the chefs or the waiters normally bring a little cake and put a candle on it, and they bring it to your table so that your family or friends can sing happy birthday to you. Some people don't like this because they think it's quite embarrassing for people to sing happy birthday in front of everyone in the restaurant. But if there aren't a lot of people in the restaurant, I think it's quite nice. Because my birthday is in August, sometimes I'm away for my birthday, so I don't celebrate it at home with friends or family. I celebrate it with the person I'm on holiday with. When this happens, I don't usually celebrate it again when I come back from my holiday. I just celebrate it in that country with a nice dinner. How do you usually celebrate your birthday? And what gifts do you like to receive? Let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in another video.